Fits 2011 to 2016 Ford Super Duty models without factory fender flares. Fender flares are additional trim pieces around the wheel opening. Does not fit dual rear wheel models. No drilling required for installation. Our mudguards are tailor fit to match your fenders perfectly and are built to the maximum width for full tread coverage of factory tires. Designed and manufactured in the USA, lifetime guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. Great fitting liners, easy to install. These liners fit my Ford F-250 perfectly. These are super easy to install and line up great with the factory holes. They are super sturdy material and look great. Very easy to keep clean. I would buy these again, however I do not think I have to as they seem like they will last for years.